Anupamaa. Vanraj faces accusations amidst Leela and Hasmukh's mysterious disappearance. The Shah household is thrown into turmoil as Leela and Hasmukh mysteriously vanish. Anupamaa, suspicious of Vanraj, believes he is somehow involved. The episode starts with Vanraj feeling the pressure from Chopra to get the NOC papers signed. His anxiety is evident as Kavya catches him taking pills, leading to a tense exchange where Vanraj defensively asserts his autonomy in handling his stress. Meanwhile, Hasmukh, trying to keep the family calm, urges Leela not to cry in front of everyone. Firm in his decision, Hasmukh tells Leela they must leave the Shah house to avoid burdening Vanraj any further. Kavya, on the other hand, eavesdrops on Paki and is shocked to discover Vanraj has taken a large advance from Chopra with plans to demolish the Shah house. In another part of the house, Kinjal encourages Anuj to talk to Anupama before it's too late. Anuj, burdened with guilt over their broken wedding, hesitates, but Kinjal insists he must take action. Kavya soon confronts Vanraj about his plan to tear down their home and build a tower. She questions whether Leela and Hasmukh were consulted. Vanraj admits he hasn't told them yet, prompting Kavya to demand her share of the money to secure Mahi's future. Anuj and Anupama have a poignant moment as they cross paths. Anuj urges Anupama to make a decision soon, revealing his plan to book her a ticket to join him. However, Anupama, feeling comfortable in her solitude, fears further loss and mentions her strained relationship with Adya. Anuj promises to wait for her until she is ready. Later that night, the real drama unfolds. Anupama and Dimpy discover that Hasmukh and Leela are missing from their room. As Vanraj prepares to discuss his plans with Hasmukh and Leela, he is met with Anupama's accusations. She believes they left because of Paki's accusations, but Vanraj denies any involvement. In the midst of this, Paki and Toshu make insensitive remarks about the elderly creating trouble. After several failed attempts, Anupama finally reaches Hasmukh and Leela. In tears, she begs them to return home, leaving viewers on edge about what will happen next. The episode promises high drama and emotional confrontations as the Shah family grapples with the consequences of Vanraj's decisions and the mysterious disappearance of their elders. We also wanna hear from you. Let's create meaningful dialogues through F3. Share your thoughts and interests in the comments section, and we'll tailor our upcoming video discussions to reflect your preferences. Your feedback is invaluable, and we're dedicated to shaping our content around your needs. Thank you for being an essential part of our journey. We wish you happiness and fulfillment in the moments ahead.